Also a great gift for some. Smells so good. It smells like this with your candle, like that. So once you put your egg in there, hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So I'm going to share with you my Christmas haul 2022 of all the things I've purchased so far. So this will be in the category of home and Christmas decorations. So I've been doing a lot of shopping videos for the past few weeks. I've been posting a shopping video every day since Vlogmas, and I'll be doing more shopping videos, but I just need to get this all out of the way. So you'll get other things that I've purchased in other vlogs coming up. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So if you love organization, cleaning videos, room makeover, tips, tricks, shopping videos, you get it all here. And I just want to say thank you all the persons who are supporting my channel this far. You guys give me the motivation. I see the comments and it motivates me each week. So let's get right into the haul with all the things that I've purchased so far. Okay, so let me start off here since these are at the front. You guys have always heard me talk about an egg cooker. I purchased one from a family home. It's very useful there since they always have a lot of egg. But what prompted me to really get this egg cooker is the other day when my gas finished and I really wanted to boil egg. I could have boiled egg in microwave, but I really wanted to boil eggs, and I decided that now is the time I need to get one for myself because I see how useful it was. This one actually is a 7. This one holds 7 eggs. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So this is the base. This is the base where you put the water in. So this is the cup that you pour the water in. So it has soft, medium and hard on it, and then these are different containers that come in it in case you want different. So this is what it looks like. So once you put your egg in there, or you pour the water first based on how hard you want it or how medium, you pour the water in this and then you cover up it like this with the egg and you start it. And it stops automatically. It turns off by itself. So this is one thing that you guys can purchase just in case you love egg, or in case gas finish and all of those simple. Just in case you have children at home, an egg cooker is a good thing you can purchase. It do boil egg, scrambled egg, it do poach egg, omelets and more. So it's pretty good. So get yourself one of this. I've got it on Amazon for about $8, somewhere there. So about $8. So it's very affordable. This as well is a mini maker griddle. So this you can use for egg as well, and you can use it for your pancakes and so this one is a mini one. You can use it to do like your burgers and other stuff. It is dash. So as it suggests mini, it is a mini one. You can do your egg in it same way, or you can do burgers. So this is a good item, and these are great gift ideas. So these are things you can purchase as a gift for someone. So I purchased this as well on Amazon, and I purchased this for about $6. So they have them in sets of 4. I saw where they had a special with a set of 4 for like $15. So you guys can head on over and check them out on Amazon if this is something that you think you will like or to purchase as a gift for someone. So this I purchased from Lucky Dollar French and appliance store. So this is an electric knife. You know it's good for cutting like your meat or your hammer and your bread. So this is a good gift idea as well. Some of these I really do purchase for a gift. I didn't really have nothing in mind when I do the purchase. So this is one thing I purchased as well. Alright, this was a random purchase. The original price was I think $4,999. I purchased it at Quartz. They had a special on it. I don't think I paid $1,000 though. It is a UVC mobile sterilizer. You know, this would have been great when COVID was all up and running, but I think it's something that I can just keep just in case. So this is one thing as well that I got on a deal. This is an organizer. I have to get some more, but this is just one I wanted to test it to see if it could hold in the fridge. I purchased this at Meeksy. So Meeksy is on Red Hills Road. So you guys can check out Meeksy. They have good organizing trays and they have a lot of other stuff that you need for your house. This has purchased for about $400. This I purchased from Pings. It's one of those containers. It should have a cover, but I got a discount because the cover was not there. So it's a metal storage box that makes it handy to store detergent pads, dryer sheet, and other accessories. The detergent pads, your pads. So this would be great for that purpose. So I just purchased that. And this I got at Pings. I really wanted the silicone brush for when I'm doing baked chicken and so I purchased a set of two. As you can see, I took out one. This is $250. This I purchased at Multimax. It's the half-price store in Half a Tree. Well, the former half-price store in Half a Tree. So this I purchased. It's a heat pad where you can put your pot on it. And this was like $150. All right, so this is a wood riser. I've got two of them for, I think it was $1,000 for two of them. I got it at Pings. It's a Target item as well, because you know Pings come with their stuff from Target and other stores. I think they have Target stuff, Macy's and other stores. So for some of the decorative pieces, these are like Target items. This one I got for $1,000 for the two. It's a wood riser, so you know these are great in the kitchen and other areas where you want to rise and just to give a little height to some of your decor pieces. So I got this at Pings. This also I got at Pings. It's a waterless oil aroma diffuser. I think this one was $1,500. I don't remember exactly, but this one is an aroma, is an oil, waterless oil diffuser. You know your girl love a diffuser. I have a diffuser already, but when I saw this, I said, okay, I can purchase it for myself, or it could be a great gift for someone as well. This as well I got from Pings. It's a candle, one of those holiday spice scented candles. It's a Christmas candle. It smells so good. It smells so good. And I like the container that it is in, and I like the wood natural look as well, so it gives that little home. So just imagine you have a riser like this with your candle like that, and maybe a little Christmas, one of those small Christmas trees. So this would be a good thing for that purpose, as you can see. I got this milk frother. This was $1,000 or $800. Pings I got it as well. So this is a great product for when you want to have those tea where you froth up your milk and stuff. And it's also a great gift for someone. I purchased one last year and gifted it, because you have some persons out there that love them coffee and so on. This is a great thing. It doesn't only work for tea. If you're doing egg or so you want to froth it up or whip it up, this is a great product that you can purchase. $800. This, I don't know where I put this here. This is a duster. I bought it for $300 by Lotus. Lotus is upstairs, Clock Tower Plaza. You guys would have seen me show that video where they have a lot of organization home products. It's very affordable. You know, it's one of those Chinese wholesale where you get stuff really affordable. And you see, I'm doing a haul and there are so many places I haven't visited as yet. I got this vase from Quartz. This is the Quartz at Boulevard, and this was like, how much for this again? It was about $750, $800, somewhere around there. So they had sale on it. Even though this is not really my color, I do purchase this. Even if I don't like the color, I can always spray paint it. I got this set of curtains, two set of curtains from Lucky Dollar as well. I'm not a person, I'm not a blue person, but I like this royal blue color, and if I don't use it, I have a makeover to do for someone, so I might just use it in that makeover. The curtains were on special, you know. I think Lucky Dollar have a 50% off special from now until December 31st. So if you visit Lucky Dollar Furniture and Appliance Store, you can get 50% off your curtains and I think sheet and your quilts and so. So you get 50% off once you purchase at Lucky Dollar. I got this set of wash rugs or washcloth for $700 at Azans. If you guys watch the video where I did my behind the scenes of a content creator for the home decor niche, you would have seen me at Azan where I purchased this one. So this is a set of wash rug as well that I saw on Amazon, and the reviews were really well, and they are lint free. I give away a few and I use a few as well. This is great in the kitchen. It is great to use around the home, and I really like it. And what else I purchased from Amazon was this set of candle wick. So really and truly I have a few candles around the home where them finish like it, they're at the bottom and it's hard to like a row right here, or some of them the wick finish from them. So I purchased this so I can always melt back the candle and put a new wick in there. This was like about $6 I think for this pack of about 100. So this I got from, oh, this was in this. I got these from a friend. Yeah, these two knives were gifted to me, but they were in these storage container. So these container set I bought from Maxi. I purchased them for my bathroom because you guys have seen the declutter of the bathroom. You guys must be waiting on that bathroom makeover, the decoration or whatever. The bathroom is just as how I left it from the decluttering. Right now I have a container there with some of the bathroom stuff, and the bathroom shelf empty with just a few makeup stuff and just a few essential stuff that I use daily. So these are containers that I purchased to use in the bathroom. I got this set of 4 for $400 at Maxi at Springs. It's $400, and I think that a special where they had 15% off, so I got 15% off the 400. And this set of 4 basket, it was $1,500 and I got 15% off as well. So $1,500 plus tax, $400 plus tax, and I got 15% off. So these are purchased from Maxi. All right, so this rug, when I purchased the royal blue curtains, I purchased this rug with it. I purchased this from Lucky Dollar as well. I think it was the last one they had, so you guys can check Lucky Dollar if you want rug as well. They have different design rug, different style and different quality, so check out Lucky Dollar. It's a Lucky Dollar in Halfway Tree that I did purchase this rug, so you can visit them if you're looking for rug. Alright, I got this table. It's a side table I purchased from Lucky Dollar as well. I think it's $3,500. Yeah, $3,500 at Lucky Dollar. Yeah, somewhere around there. So if you're looking for a side table, you can always head on there and see if they have any. Alright, so these 2 throws, I purchased this one at Court. This one is the Reagan decorative throw. So this throw blanket, it's so soft. Look at it. Don't know what I'll be using it for, but this could be a great gift for someone as well. Some of the things I do purchase is really for gift purpose. So sometimes I see something is not really me I purchase it for, I just purchase it for a gift. And this blanket as well was at Lucky Dollar. I purchased this throw blanket, but I think I get 50% off the blankets there. So you guys can visit Lucky Dollar. And last but not least is the bag of Christmas decorations. So these are a few Christmas stuff that I picked up so far, and you guys would have known that follow my channel for the past 2 years, because I started this channel January 2020. I started posting May 2020. I wasn't so consistent. I did like 1 and 2 videos here and there for that year, but since April 2021 I've been posting at least 2 videos every week. So if you guys watch most of my videos, you would have known that for Christmas I really do the decoration at my family home, not here. So I don't think I'll be doing any decoration here as well. I do the decoration at my family home where the children are, so I do the decoration there. So these are a few stuff that I've purchased for the Christmas. So for the Christmas trees, I got this and this. So the colors that I'll be using is like red, gold, and white. Just some traditional colors. So I purchased these for the tree there. I also got these. Actually, the color I was planning on using before was rose gold. So I purchased these rose gold leaves at Lucky Dollar. Yeah, I purchased these at Lucky Dollar. They were the last set there. I'm not sure if they will have any more, but you guys can visit them. So it was rose gold I was going to use, but I didn't bother use the rose gold. So this might have to put off for another year. But when my mom told me that it was red and gold, because she already sewed the cushion covers and all and have curtains prepared, so I purchased these red with gold tree stuffers instead. So these were from Lucky Dollar as well. The lights, I got these LED string lights. I think they were like $500 per one, or 400 and something. So you guys can check out Lucky Dollar for LED Christmas lighting. And the Lucky Dollar I do visit is the one in Half a Tree Central Plaza. So you guys can visit that Lucky Dollar if you wish to purchase any of these decorations. This I got from Pings. I purchased this. It's like one of these little mini house, and what I plan to do is like get a light put inside of this. This can use like on the entrance table there, and I got this for $800. And this as well I got for I think $800 or $1,000, I don't remember, but I got this from Pings as well. And as you can see, these are Target items. You can see the Target logo with the $3 here, but you know they have to put their markup, so you can visit Pings for that. And I purchased this at Lucky Dollar as well. The original price is $4,299. They have 50% off all Christmas decorations, so you guys can visit them for that purpose. And I got this set of hanging dolls at Quartz. I got this set of hanging dolls at Quartz, so you guys can visit Quartz as well if you're interested in any of these type of Christmas decoration. So if you guys enjoy this video, if you enjoy this haul, please comment down below what's your favorite part or your favorite item from this haul. I've shown you a few stuff that I've purchased for the past few weeks, and I just want to say thank you again for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing the journey with me and being on the journey. These are videos that we can look back on and say, oh, I see where you're coming from. And I'm just looking for a brighter new year as well. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. And I hope that you all do enjoy the holidays, even if you don't have any money to buy any gift or to give anyone. Just a gift of love and gratitude would be enough for a lot of persons. So I just want to say thank you again. If you love my content and if you love content like this, I do the shopping for you. So I go around and show you, just to take the hassle and just to share with you places that you can visit. So if you find these videos helpful, you can always subscribe down below and just enjoy my videos. Thank you again for watching my Christmas haul 2022. See you on the next video.